Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how I fix dry, cracked skin on my hands. That's right. Right now, as you can see, I have some dry, cracked skin all over my hands. That is because right now it is cold. It is the beginning of like the winter season. It is the beginning of it being cold, and I have not treated my hands in the proper way to avoid this. So now that the skin, as you can see, is all dry and all cracked, you can see all of those marks over there. Okay, you can see it's quite dry, quite cracked. Now that it is quite dry and quite cracked, I'm going to take the right steps to fix it. And I'm going to tell you and show you exactly how I do that. I use a sort of like a cream. So this is exactly how I do it. I use like a body cream or a body lotion. This is the one I use. You can use any kind, to be honest with you. It doesn't really matter as long as it's going to moisturize the skin. It's basically going to do what it's supposed to do. So here's what I do. In the morning, okay, what I do is I get a good amount of it. So I'm going to just squeeze. That's more than enough. I get a good amount of it. Okay, and I rub it. Okay, so you saw how much I had there. I rub it between my hands, and you can use more than I used or less than I used. But yeah, I gave it like, you know, a good amount in my hand, and I rub it between my hands. And as you can see, I rub it on the dry, cracked skin, which is, for me, it's mostly on the tops of my hands. Some people might get it on their fingers, the palms of their hands, so on and so forth. But for me, it's mostly in the knuckle areas. As you can see over there, it's all red, right? You can see the dry, cracked skin right over there. You can see, and it was so dry and so cracked that it's actually bleeding yesterday. So that's why I came up with this video idea. I was like, let me tell you and show you how I fix it. So I'm rubbing that body cream. So I got an itch over here. That's why you see me going like this. All right, I'm rubbing that body cream or that body lotion on my hands, and specifically rubbing it, you know, quite a bit on the tops of my hands where that dry, cracked skin was. Okay. Now, here's what I do. I keep rubbing it until it's rubbed into the skin, which is, for me, basically, when I feel it give me some, like, a good amount of resistance as I'm rubbing it, that, for me, lets me know that it's probably rubbed in enough. Right now, it's still pretty smooth, but I'm getting that resistance now, right? So now I know that it's basically rubbed in as much as I want it to be rubbed in, okay? So right now, my hands went from being a little bit painful because, you know, the dry cracked skin, whenever I was moving my fingers, was giving me a little bit of pain. Now they feel almost pain-free. There's a little bit of pain right here, probably because it's like an open spot, right? But they basically feel almost pain-free. So right now, the elasticity of my skin and the moisturization of my skin is going to help it prevent, it's going to help prevent it from cracking further, and it's going to help that skin heal. Okay. Now, what I do is, like I said, I give it a good application in the morning, at some point in the morning. Not first thing for me, you know, but you might do first thing in the morning. For me, it's like, you know, a couple hours into the day, basically. And then, basically, as I notice that, you know, that the skin elasticity goes down and the skin moisturization goes down, and maybe I get a little bit more of that painful feeling when I squeeze my hand and the skin stretches, then I'll put an additional application, which is much lighter, much less. That first one was a good amount of the body cream, body lotion, whatever you want to call it. The next one that I put on will be much less, like just a tiny amount, and I'll just do it on the problem areas. And then once again, when it sort of goes down and I start feeling like, you know, oh, my skin is drying up again, I'll put another tiny little application, and basically as needed. So for myself, I'll end up applying body cream or body lotion to the dry, cracked skin, on my hands, probably maybe 3 times throughout the day. Right? Maybe 4, if even that, sometimes 2, it all depends. But the first application is significant, and then every other application throughout the day is just a tiny little amount, just to really keep it moisturized. And it all depends, because if I'm wearing gloves, if I'm staying inside, you know, then I won't need to do as many applications. But if I'm outside and I don't have my gloves, then, you know, I'm going to have to do more applications. So it all depends. But I apply it as needed. And then, you know, eventually, hopefully, I would say within about a week, my skin ends up being pretty healed, which is great. And then it seems to be less likely to happen again in the future. Like, it seems to take longer, I guess, because I don't know if the skin has been maybe elasticized or something. I'm not sure. But generally speaking, after the first time that this happens in the winter for me, once I fix it, it probably does happen again to my memory. But I'm just going off my memory, so I could be wrong about this. This is kind of just what I'm remembering, like usually. But, you know, with regards to like what usually happens. But to the best of my memory, memory, and don't quote me on this because I might be totally wrong, but to the best of my memory, it doesn't happen as often once I fixed it the first time for the remainder of the winter. Okay, but like I said, I could be wrong. That's just how I'm thinking, just my memory of past winters. But yeah, basically, that's how I fix my dry, cracked skin on my hands. It seems to work for me. You can choose to use the same method. You can choose to use some of it and change some of it. You can choose to use something completely different. It's up to you, but that's how I fixed it. I just wanted to share it with you in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And yeah, I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. And with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.